This is a full and honest review of the Stake app, and I have not been paid to review it. Ciao, it's Marco here, and subscribe to this channel to boost your finances. First thing, you want your money to be in a safe place, and Stake is authorized by the FSCS, which means your money is covered up to £85,000 if Stake goes bust. The company is quite reputable and was founded in 2009, first of all in Australia, and then it expanded to New Zealand and now the UK. And with this obstacle cleared, we can move on to the juicy part. So when you open an account with them, Stake gives you some stake. Jokes aside, if you open an account using code Sherwood, as in Sherwood Forest, you would get a chance to be the winner of $1,300 worth of Tesla stock and a free share. And that is until the 21st of August. But after the 21st of August, and if you want to support the channel, you can use the link below to get the free share when you open an account, and I will get a free share. But first of all, watch the whole video till the end so that you are fully informed on the Stake app. Now, the free share that you can get by funding your account can only be a Gopro, a Dropbox, or a Nike stock. And I know what you're thinking now. How much are these stocks worth? Let me Google it. No bother, I can give you a ballpark value, and at the time of recording, Gopro is $5.25, Dropbox is $22.75, and Nike is worth a whopping $97.61. Now, there are two requirements to get the free stock, and the first one is to make a minimum deposit, which is £50, and the second one is to fund your account within 24 hours from the creation of your account. And they also give you a timer so that you know when your time is up. And once you get started on your account, you can share your link with your family and friends and get a bunch of GoPros and Nikes if you're lucky. But, and that takes me to the next part of this review, there are fees. So the first type of fee that you face is 0.5% every time you turn your pounds into dollars and vice versa. And so that applies both when you deposit and withdraw your money. This works out to be $2 when you deposit the minimum, which is £50. And when you withdraw your money, there is an additional charge, and that's another $2 as a bank fee. There is also a one-off fee of $5 when you obviously want to trade US stocks, and that is to compile a document called V8 ban. That is mandatory by the law. So bottom line, the question is, are these fees low? And the answer is absolutely no. In a time when competition allows for true zero-fee investing, this is a kick in the teeth. And by competition, I mean Trading 212, and I've made a full and in-depth review of this app that you have to watch before opening an account with Stake. And I will link that video at the end of this video. Some people have compared Stake to Robinhood, but there is a big difference. Robinhood charges only 0.00002% when you sell your investments. That's right, a fee like that is almost negligible, and man, I'm so sad that Robinhood is not gonna come to the UK. But to make a super short summary, when you open an account, you probably get a GoPro stock, which is worth $5, but then you spend $11 to fund your account. So not too great, is it? And then there is another 0.5% fee, but this is an avoidable fee because you basically pay for it when you want your money to be available for you to trade the next trading day. Like I said, this fee is avoidable by selecting the regular speed when funding your account. Next up, we have customer service, and the only way to get in touch with them is by filling in a form. And it's not good, guys, especially after paying so much in fees. I would expect at least a live chat, but maybe I'm too posh. Oh dear. I have to be honest though, I got in touch with the customer service on a Sunday and they came back to me within an hour, which is quite good, isn't it? So overall, the customer service is not too bad and perhaps better than other investment apps. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is the account types. And the first thing that jumped to my attention is the absence of a stock and shares ISA, which actually left me a bit disappointed. But apart from that, there is at least a basic commission-free account where you basically don't pay to buy and sell stocks. You can also buy fractional shares, which is a bit of a given these days, but at least they have it. Though the minimum purchase is $10 worth of shares. Now, there are also two premium accounts that you obviously have to pay for. with the first one giving you access to limit and stop orders, as well as priority access to new listings. All this goodness for £9 a month. Is it worth it? Well, it's quite dear. And so the second premium account is even more expensive and gives you the same exact stuff, and in addition they give you the possibility to trade on unsettled funds and also priority customer service and advanced trading data. Now all this stuff for $19 a month, and you also have to deposit at least $30,000 in your account. Truth be told, both premium accounts are free up until January 2021. So I see what they're trying to do there. They're trying to appeal to day traders, but there is an important feature that is missing, and to be honest, I'm a bit surprised. They don't have any leverage. But for normal investors like you and me, leverage is very dangerous, and please stay away. Oh, and by the way, if you like this sort of honest reviews, subscribe to this channel and tick the little notification bell, because I've got lots of reviews coming up. Next, I want to talk about user friendliness, and Stake offers, let's say an average experience. The thing that I quite liked though were the strategies that you find on the Wall Street tab. This option is basically a selection of companies that you can use and that you can look at for a number of reasons. So for example, if you want to short the market, or the next one is if you want to profit from their earnings. This is actually a quite good feature, and I will use it in the future. And the good thing is you don't have to deposit any money to access it. Another thing that you can get for free is that you can subscribe to their newsletter on the American stock market. And again, it might be an interesting read for you, and it's totally free. The next topic is investing variety. And speaking of which, you can join me and other like-minded people on Discord to chat about investing. Or alternatively, you can DM me on Instagram for a little chinwag. Links are in the description below. But anyway, investing variety. Stake offers you a very wide range of American stocks and ETFs that is actually wider than all other investment platforms. This is actually Stake's main selling point if you're interested, and it's quite enticing, to be honest. There is just a teeny, not quite tiny problem though. If you want to buy ETFs, the only way is to be on their black account, which is the all singing and dancing one, and that you have to pay $19 a month. And on top of that, you also have to deposit a minimum of $30,000 into your account. This is to me a big problem, because this will put off most of normal investors like myself. And to be honest, Stake, if you're watching this video, please remove this limitation. It's ridiculous. So the verdict is that the Stake app is not good for beginners and long-term investors like myself due to their fees. So Stake may be only suited for traders, and to be honest, I would add a nice account, and that would make it so much more appealing for people like me who want to invest for the long term and not pay taxes. That being said, I would suggest you open an account without depositing any money, and that is because this way you would get access to news on the stock market. And also, Stake account will allow you to keep an eye on the new US stocks becoming available for purchase here in the UK, as I'm sure they will want to retain their main selling point, which is to have the widest range of US stocks available. Listen, this is very important. When it comes to investing, fees can really mess up your profit. However, the video on the screen right now is a full review of Trading212, the investing platform with the lowest fees in the UK. No one likes fees, so click on the video.